Search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to improve its visibility and ranking on search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. SEO is a crucial component of any digital marketing strategy because it helps businesses increase their online presence and drive more traffic to their website. The primary goal of SEO is to improve the ranking of a website on search engine results pages, SERPs, for specific keywords and phrases. When people search for a particular product or service, they often turn to search engines for help. The higher a website ranks on the SERPs, the more likely it is to receive organic traffic from potential customers. This is because people tend to click on the top results displayed on the first page of the search results. There are various techniques and strategies involved in SEO, and they can be broadly categorized into on-page and off-page optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing the content and structure of a website to make it more search engine friendly. This includes optimizing the titles, meta descriptions, and header tags of each page, as well as improving the website's overall structure, navigation, and internal linking. On-page optimization also involves keyword research and optimization, which helps search engines understand the content of a website and match it with the queries entered by users. Off-page optimization, on the other hand, involves building links to a website from other high-quality, authoritative sites. This includes creating high-quality content that attracts backlinks, building relationships with other websites and influencers in the industry, and participating in social media and other online communities. Another crucial aspect of SEO is mobile optimization. With an increasing number of people accessing the internet via their mobile devices, search engines prioritize websites that are optimized for mobile viewing. This means that websites that are not mobile-friendly may not rank as well as those that are. In conclusion, search engine optimization is an essential component of digital marketing, which involves optimizing your website's content and structure to improve its visibility and ranking on search engines. By implementing on-page and off-page optimization techniques, businesses can increase their online presence and drive more traffic to their website. As search engines continue to evolve and update their algorithms, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest SEO best practices to ensure the continued success of your website.